some of the students thought that I was an invigilator. Yeah. And then the next moment they saw me sit beside them. Something is wrong. Yeah, correct. Yeah. But you know, I took Jamie's advice, you know, go in with the woo kind of feel, right? Yeah. So I sat there, you know, the exam is starting at 2 p.m. You know, and then right, I just sit there. 1:55, I was waiting already. By the time it's 1:59, right, no, less than a minute to go, right, I'm getting ready. I put my calculator on my left side because I can press computer very fast on my left hand. Right? I put a paper on my right side. Then I hold my pencil in my right hand, ready to shade the whole thing, you know, the MCQ paper. So I wait without bleeding. Everybody was just waiting. Then when the clock struck 2 p.m., right, the invigilator take out the mic. He's supposed to say you may begin, right? So before he even say anything, I start reading. Yeah. Because I was full of confidence, you know. I mean, as someone who has been teaching physics and chemistry for 15 years, right, I was thinking, no, I think I can solve everything. You know, they have that kind of ego whenever I go in. Right? But the first question that came out slapped on my face, and I have no idea how to solve the first question, you know. Yeah, let me show you the first question. What is the diameter of the Earth? Have you all seen this question? What is the diameter of the Earth? I mean, if you give me $1 coin, I can still figure out it's 60 grams, right? You give me an Earth, I don't know how to measure it. So like, I was thinking very hard because I wanted to get full mark. You see, I have that kind of expectation. So I kept thinking. Then you know what happened? Something that happened 7 years ago saved me. 7 years ago, right, I have a primary 3 student. You know, the student asked me a very interesting question. He asked me, teacher, what is the speed of light? So I told him 3 times that's about 8. And then he asked me another question. He said, teacher, so at this speed, right, in 1 second, how many cycles can the light travel around the Earth? Well, 1 second, how many rounds you can go around the Earth for light? Very interesting. Yeah. You know why he asked me that question? Because like he was reading the answer video. Yeah, then he came across that and he thought it was quite interesting. He wanted to challenge me. Yeah, but I don't know. So I told him I really don't know. Then he was like proudly take out his answer video. Hey teacher, 7.5 rounds. Yeah. So that stuck in my mind, you know, 7.5 rounds. You know, for that moment, right, my student was smarter than me. Right. So I remember that. So suddenly, right, and then I said, oh yeah, 7.5 rounds. Then my maths coming ready. Because I know the number is 3 times 10 power 8, right? In 1 second. And it goes 7.5 rounds. So I can actually find the circumference, right? How do I find the circumference? Divide by 7.5. Okay? So I calculated with my left hand. Okay. And then after that, how do I get the radius? Because the formula of circumference is 2 pi r, right? So I divide by 2, I divide by pi, I get r, right? Because I can times 2 again. Yeah. So eventually I found out that it was actually 12 million meter. Yeah. So in fact, this is the exact number 12756 kilometers. Yeah. So lucky, you know, I got it correct. On that day, they on the machine. That was like 100 years after Einstein passed away. And they pressed it, and then they saw the reading, right? That was the reading that shocked the world at night. Yeah. And they have concluded that Einstein's theory is true. Okay. So what is the implication? Number one, all physics textbooks in the world need to be rewritten. Because now we got a new theory that space can be bent. Okay. Number 2, teleportation can happen now.
Yes.
You're kind of excited? I thought I was the only one. Yes. Can you imagine going to school? I forgot my pants. You literally can go anywhere. Okay? You get the idea. Okay? You can go to Mars just by pressing a button. You get the idea, right? Of course, if I have time, I will go through with you in more detail how you actually teleport. But it is now proven that the theory is true. Every year, I'll be taking until the government ban me. And then I will then lodge a complaint. You know what? Last year, right, I got an A1 for physics. Right? I got an A2 for chemistry. Do you know why I got A2 for chemistry? Because of the practical exam. You know, I haven't touched the apparatus for 19 years. Yeah, I don't even know how to handle the apparatus. You all know what is titration?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you actually pour acid into the burette? Funnel, right? Do you put the funnel there and pour the acid?
No.
Or do you hold the funnel?
Hold the funnel.
Yeah, 19 years ago, I didn't tell me. I don't know. I actually put the funnel there. Okay, then I have another question for you. The burette is so tall. I put it on the table, right, and I'm so short. how do you pour acid?
No, you put on the chair.
You know, it's only after that my student tell me, teacher, put on the chair. Okay. Why nobody tell me that? Okay, I was about to stand on the chair. Okay. Then I was thinking maybe I shouldn't make a scene. Okay. So you know what I did? Out of my desperation, I don't know how to do, right? I just take out the burette, I hold it on my left hand, I put the funnel on top, and I pour acid on it this way. The teacher was looking at me. So I thought I was attractive. One of the items, right, I don't understand what was the item. The item says connecting lamp. You all know what is connecting lamp? You know, right? The wire, the alligator clip, right? But when I was a student, I learned that as a wire with the alligator clip. No, connecting lamp. So I was just checking it. You know what I saw in front of me? A pencil lamp was in front of me. So I was thinking, is that part of the experiment or not? Then I was thinking, actually it makes sense because I can connect the pencil lamp, and then it will glow. I mean, I know it will glow. Is that part of the experiment? But you know I'm a tutor, so I also know ask questions when you are in need, right? And don't get judged by people who think they ask silly questions. So okay, I ask, I raise my hand, right? Then they usually raise to me. Yeah, what? I say, may I ask this pencil that is in part of the experiment? You see the face of that individual. He was like, you know, he was rolling his eye. What kind of silly question is it? I wanted to explain myself. I said, you know, this connecting. I wanted to say that, but he said, then he swept it away. He didn't even utter a word. He just walked away. So then I conclude the last item on my table, the wire with the alligator clip, is connecting that. Yeah. So I know, finally I know it. Okay. But the moral of the story is, in doubt, please ask. Okay. Don't let other people's point of view, like, deter you, okay, from asking questions, right? Okay. Anyway, yeah. Let me just conclude.